how to dropship on TikTok Shop for free. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you how you will be able to dropship on your TikTok Shop absolutely for free. So we will be using a platform today's video, which is called CJ Dropshipping, which is a great platform to use as a dropshipping source of product. So in CJ Dropshipping, they have all kinds of products with almost all products that are currently trending. They have all the updated products, so there won't be, or it's unlikely that there is a product that you won't be able to find in CJ Dropshipping. And the great thing about this platform is that they are mainly a dropshipping platform in a way. So their entire purpose is to become a source of product for dropshipping businesses. And their prices are really low. You will be able to purchase lots of quantity in one go. You will be able to have a lot of inventory. You don't really need to worry about anything. You are able to purchase sample products if ever you want to test them out. If you want to promote them on your videos, you can create videos in TikTok and all of those things. And TikTok is a great platform to use as your store for your dropshipping due to the fact that it has a lot of users. It has a lot of traffic, and you will be able to have a lot of or a high chance of selling a product successfully inside of TikTok Shop. And pair that up with a good advertisement, good promotion, you will be able to have a successful dropshipping business inside of TikTok and CJ Dropshipping. Now, the keyword in our title is free. Now, using CJ Dropshipping is absolutely for free. There's nothing that you would need to pay to connect your platforms together and use the feature. So, over here in CJ Dropshipping, as you can see on our screen, simply look over here on the left side. The left side are the different main tools. So you have your find products where you look for the products that you want to sell. You have your cart, you have your product informations over here, orders related. You have different extra features over here. CJ Dropshipping also has a print on demand feature, which is really great. There's also custom packaging and customization. And there's also photography service. So CJ Dropshipping has a lot of features packed together, and you won't be losing out on any of the features. And over here at the bottom, or like the second to the last, you will be able to see all the different platforms we will be able to connect to. We have Shopify, TikTok Shop US, WED2C, eBay, TikTok Shop, WooCommerce, ShipStation, Lazada, Shopee, AliExpress, and many more. As you can notice, we passed by TikTok Shop, and you might not have noticed that there is two versions, TikTok Shop US and TikTok Shop. Now you might ask, what is the difference between these two? Well, the correct answer is there's no difference between them. The only reason the TikTok Shop US is in this list was because back in the day, before the TikTok Shop or this option of here appeared, only TikTok Shop US was available. CJ Dropshipping was only able to integrate with the US version, but now it has the ability to connect to all regions that are able to use TikTok Shop, which is really great. It's only here because it came first for those US users who are using it before, so they were keeping that over here. But anyway, simply click on TikTok Shop to connect our TikTok. Now, connecting our TikTok Shop might be a bit confusing or might have a hard time. You guys might have a hard time, but worry not, because CJ Dropshipping is going to show to you how to do it. So simply click on Add Store. And over here, you're going to be able to see the note over here telling you what to do, as you can see. So over here, as you can see, it's instructing us to manage our warehouse information inside of our TikTok. So to do that, go over here on your TikTok Shop. Click on My Account. Click on Account Setting. Let me zoom in over here on the left side so you guys could see. Click on the Account Settings. And over here, as you can see, we now have our different account settings. What we're looking for is the warehouse settings, which we can identify over here. Simply select Warehouse Settings, which will allow us to configure our warehouse, inventory storage, and shipping preference. And this is what we are going to see, as you can see. So now what you want to do is you're going to modify the pickup warehouse and the return warehouse. How do you do this? To be able to do that, or rather what you want to do, is you're going to click on edit, and the information that you're going to input are the following, as you can see. It is instructed by the warehouse name, contact person, phone number, street address, and region over here. So simply select this button over here, which would allow you to copy the specific text, and you could simply just copy and paste it inside of your TikTok store over here, or your TikTok shop. And over here, this is what it would look like, as you can see. Where you have your warehouse name, contact person, phone number, street address, and region over here. So simply click save on that. And as you can see, a default address will generate after your orders are synced to CJ Dropshipping, so you don't need to modify any of that. But anyway, after doing that, click on OK. And after that, you will be able to proceed to the login, basically like the login page of your TikTok shop. This is what it's going to look like when you first open, or when you first are trying to log into your TikTok shop on your desktop or your laptop. And as you can see here, you will be able to select regions. You have your Asia seller, you have from China to Philippines, and you have your North America seller. And over here, simply click on next, and you're basically just going to log into your account through the link or through this page that we are handling right now. Now, after successfully connecting your two platforms together, you can now easily just look for a product that you like or that you want. I would suggest that you guys check out the carousel over here to check out what products are currently trending, or to keep up with the events and trends, so that you are guaranteed, or rather you have a higher chance of getting a lot of sales due to the season or the seasonal products. But anyway, over here, for example, let's select a product, maybe this clothing over here. Now, typically, this is what you're going to see: the product pictures, the product name, the product price, and of course the buy now button or the add to cart button on the different or the other types of e-commerce platform. But the difference between this one is, as you can see here at the bottom, we have a different button over here. We have list and connect. The list means add the product to your store, and the other is connect. So if the connect, it means that your store already has that product. But if you click on list, you will see this pop up over here. Simply select your TikTok shop under the store selection over here. It should appear over here. Click on variant pricing, enter the pricing that you want, and simply click on list now, and it should appear on your product list soon or within the day. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.